What if there was a disease so mysterious that even some of the world's leading scientists still don't fully understand it? A condition that affects millions of people, a disease that can completely change someone's life. Yet despite decades of research, many questions remain unanswered. Today we're diving into one of the most puzzling medical mysteries of our time. Imagine waking up every morning feeling exhausted, not just tired but completely drained. No matter how much you sleep, your energy never returns. Simple tasks become overwhelming. Walking up a flight of stairs feels like climbing a mountain. For millions of people around the world, this isn't imagination. It's reality. The condition is commonly known as chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS. Doctors also call it myalgic encephalomyelitis, often shortened to ME. And despite years of scientific investigation, researchers still don't fully understand what causes it. At first glance, the symptoms might seem simple: fatigue, weakness, difficulty concentrating. But the reality is far more complex. People with this condition often experience severe exhaustion after even minor physical or mental activity. Scientists call this post-exertional malaise. Imagine feeling relatively normal one day. Then after a short walk, a conversation, or a few hours of work, your body suddenly crashes. That crash can last for days, sometimes even weeks. Many patients describe it as feeling trapped inside a body that refuses to cooperate. And here's where the mystery begins. Medical tests often appear normal. Blood work may look fine. Scans may show nothing unusual. Yet the symptoms are very real. For years, many patients struggled to convince others that their illness existed at all. Some were told it was stress. Others were told it was anxiety. Many were simply dismissed. But as research advanced, scientists began discovering clues that suggested something much deeper was happening. Researchers started finding unusual patterns in the immune systems of certain patients. Some studies suggested that infections might play a role. Others pointed toward abnormalities in energy production inside the body's cells. Then there were findings involving inflammation and possible changes in the nervous system. Each discovery seemed promising. Each offered a piece of the puzzle, but none provided the complete answer. And that's what makes this disease so fascinating and frustrating. Every time scientists think they're getting closer, new questions emerge. Some researchers believe viral infections may trigger the condition. This theory gained significant attention after certain patients developed symptoms following illnesses such as Epstein-Barr virus infections. The timeline seemed suspicious. People would recover from the initial infection. Then suddenly, months later, severe fatigue would appear. Was the virus responsible? Or was it triggering something else inside the body? Scientists still don't know. Then came another major development: the COVID-19 pandemic. Around the world, doctors noticed that some patients continued experiencing symptoms long after recovering from the virus. Extreme fatigue, brain fog, memory problems, sleep disturbances. The similarities were impossible to ignore. Many researchers began comparing long COVID with chronic fatigue syndrome. Could they share similar biological mechanisms? Could studying one help solve the mystery of the other? The possibility created enormous interest within the scientific community. For the first time in years, researchers had a new opportunity to investigate these conditions on a massive scale. But despite the progress, the mystery remains. One of the most disturbing aspects of the disease is its unpredictability. Some patients improve, others remain stable, and some become severely disabled. There are individuals who spend years confined to their homes. Others struggle to tolerate light, sound, or even normal daily activities. Yet doctors still cannot predict who will recover and who will not. Why? No one knows for sure. And that's not the only question. Why does the disease affect some people after infections but not others? Why do symptoms vary so dramatically? Why are standard medical tests often unable to detect it? These unanswered questions continue to challenge researchers worldwide. Laboratories across the globe are searching for biomarkers, measurable biological signs that could help diagnose the condition more accurately. If scientists can identify a reliable biomarker, it could transform diagnosis and treatment. Patients might finally receive answers faster. Doctors could potentially develop targeted therapies, and the mystery could begin to unravel. But finding that biomarker has proven incredibly difficult. The disease doesn't appear to follow a simple pattern. Instead, it may involve multiple systems within the body: the immune system, the nervous system, energy metabolism, inflammatory responses, possibly even genetic factors. It's like trying to solve a puzzle where several pieces belong to different puzzles entirely, and yet researchers remain determined. New technologies are providing fresh insights: advanced imaging tools, genetic analysis, artificial intelligence, powerful data models. Scientists now have resources that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Each year brings new discoveries. Each study adds another clue, and slowly, the scientific community is building a clearer picture. Still, one important lesson has emerged from this mystery. Not every disease is immediately understood. History is filled with conditions that once baffled experts. Over time, science uncovered their causes, developed treatments, saved lives. Many researchers believe the same will eventually happen here. The question isn't whether answers exist. The question is how long it will take to find them. For patients living with the condition today, that answer can't come soon enough. Every day they face challenges that many people never see. Every day they wait for science to reveal the missing pieces of the puzzle. And somewhere inside laboratories around the world, researchers continue their search. Searching for patterns, searching for evidence, searching for the truth. Because hidden beneath one of medicine's greatest mysteries may be discoveries that change our understanding of human health forever. Will scientists finally solve the mystery? Will future breakthroughs uncover the true cause? Or does the disease still hold secrets waiting to be revealed? Only time and science will tell. Until then, the search continues, and the mystery remains unsolved.